Alright, this is my 2014 Ram SLT. The only thing it has on it is an exhaust tip with an additional muffler swap and resonator delete. So this is going to be a cold start. Let me get the key. I'm going to get a few pulls here with a 2014 Ram 1500. It's got the 5.7 liter HEMI V8 that Ram makes with this truck. Now the only thing performance wise that I've added to this truck, if you even consider it performance, is it just has an aftermarket K&N air filter, and like in the intro of the video, it's got the resonator delete and a muffler. So I'm gonna see if I get on the freeway here and see if I can get a good pull for you guys so you can hear what the exhaust sounds like inside the cab. Now I've had the exhaust on this truck for about a year now, and people hate the droning inside the cabin, but surprisingly it's not that bad. I actually don't mind it at all. So I mean, most of the time I drive, you have your music on anyway, so who cares about the drone? See if I can try to get a good pull for you guys here. So I have no idea if you can hear the exhaust just right now while I'm standing still. But it'll be really hard to get a pull here. I'm gonna try. So this is kind of medium acceleration. I'm already going 60, 65, so let's see if I step on it. There we go. It's really windy outside, so sorry for the whistle coming from the truck. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do. But this is cruising at 70, so I mean, you can hear the drone, and it's not that bad. It's not that loud inside the cab, so I'm really happy with this exhaust. Maybe I'll get off at the next exit and see if I can get a good pull going the other way. So there I am, stopped at the light, about to get on the freeway again, going the other way, try to get a decent pull for you guys. It'd be kind of hard to do it because this is kind of like a curved entry onto the freeway. a little bit tricky because the roads are wet. It just rained overnight, so felt the tires might have lost traction just a little bit, but not too bad. But here's the exhaust again, cruising it at 75, and you can, I don't know, you can discern for yourself whether you mind the drone or not. And if you have any questions or comments about what type of exhaust I have, feel free to comment below, and then I will be sure to reply with those answers for you. So I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle there. I'm backing off. Now the one thing I do like about this is that the exhaust does crackle when you downshift, so if I manage to control the gears here. This is third gear right now, going into second. Now into first. Really hard to put full power into the pavement right now because the roads are so wet, but yeah. Maybe I can get a nice pull here. You see the speed limit's at 50, so I'll go 0 to 50. Try to maintain traction. Well, got a little bit sideways there as I floored it, but I was able to maintain it. Luckily these all-terrains, they get pretty good grip. So now this is cruising at about 53 miles an hour, and you can hear there's hardly any drone. So you know, if you get an exhaust on this, now this is the non-dual tip exhaust, so this is only the single pipe exhaust. That'll do it for this video. Now if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So until next time.